Our awareness class is about politicians and officials, business people, sinful activities. All are not bad and all are not good. But the maximum politicians, officials, staff, and businessmen in any nation or state in the world are fraudulent and harmful activities doers because of Kali effects. రాజకీయ నాయకులు ఉద్యోగులు వ్యాపారులు రకరకాల పాపపు పుట్టలో మునిగి తేలుచూ మునుగుచూ ఎన్నో జన్మలు ధరించి సెక్యూరిటీ గుమస్తాలు కుక్కలు నక్కలు మాదిరిగా పుట్టి ప్రజల బాకీలు తీర్చుచుందురు. ఇదే సత్యము జనన మరణ రహస్యము. Politicians' wrong, fraudulent activities are corruption, bribing, fraudulent activities, money collection from associations, contractors, companies, rich people and others, and the people who come for different favorisms, etc. These are their sinful activities. Collection of money and using in elections for win, etc. and for self-use, etc. They face many hurdles, diseases, losses, etc. They amass crores and hundreds and thousands of crores of assets in fraud, illegal way, in their 5, 10, 15 years tenure. Some politicians do cruel, criminal, danger, harmful, murder activities, etc. too on some persons, opposite party people, opposite party activists, leaders, or who are against them. Or they also take revenge against the people who have not voted to them, etc. Many sins. Troubling some officials, employees, stopping their promotions who are sincere, etc. or who are against them, and giving promotion, etc. to juniors, etc. Many sins. These are due to Kali effects. However, you note that all are not bad and all are not good, but maximum politicians, officials, staff, employees are fraudulent due to Kali effects. Officials, employees, wrongful activities, illegal, fraudulent activities are collection of bribe through mediators, associations, or directly from applicant, proposers, or public who come for office work, license, justification, registration, order, permission, proceedings, etc. Amassing lakhs and crores of illegal fraud assets. These are all sins, their sins. They face many hurdles, diseases, losses, etc. due to sinful activities. Giving promotion, etc. to juniors and encouraging the staff who collect bribe and cooperate with the fraud officials. For transfer, retired function, etc., they collect huge amount from associations, companies, contractors, dealers, etc., and enjoy the functions, etc. In the end, their families get many hurdles. They never spend their own money. They always try to get money for each and every signature and file disposal. HODs, secretaries, etc., superiors, they just try to protect their positions and posts and do many sinful activities with the politicians and rulers. Whenever they go to fields, inspect site, visit these employees, officials, enjoy with animals meat animals meat curry, alcohol, etc. In some offices, afternoon, they don't get homely food boxes. They get mutton, chicken, biryani, etc. from hotels and enjoy because it is public money, fraud money. They don't move any file without money. They keep file spending and harass people and try to extract the money, etc. from public. These are all their sinful activities due to Kali Yuga effects. You note that all are not bad and all are not good, but the maximum people, maybe business people, politicians, official staff, will spoil due to Kali Yuga effects. SVPSO, International Non-Profit Organization, Electro-Homeopathy and Alt System Plants and Flowers Vastu Yoga Center can change their mindset and will give peaceful, golden and happy life to them. This is the power of SVPSO, International Non-Profit.